This is Chris from Munch and welcome to another fast food fight. The show that reviews popular dishes from fast food chains, recreates them to make them look and taste like the retail products, all whilst reducing the cost. Imagine diced tomatoes and stretchy mozzarella topped with oregano on a deep pan base. Well, that's a good price for a great pizza. For $5, Margheritell. And while you're here, if you're thinking me button, I'd really appreciate it. Go on, big devil. So start by mixing your dough. Wet stuff is Marjoram Garlic, infused olive oil, yeast and water. Dry stuff is corn flour and plain flour. Chuck them in a bowl and mush them together. Leave it sit until poofy. Put some flour on your surface, whack down your bowl and stretch it out so that it's the same length as your pan. Chuck some butter in a pan, dough it up. Tomato sauce, tomato paste, cheese, oregano, not oregano, oregano, diced tomato, once the base is burnt, chuck it under the grill. Have a look at that, not bad for $1.56. Slice it up and mung on that meat. Oh wait, no meat. This has been Chris from Munch, and I'll see you next Tuesday. Grab!